likes to play with socks. Kalin, come here. Kalin, come here. Give it to me. Bring it over. Uh-oh. Oh, you okay? Oh no! Here you go. You're silly. You wanna play? No? Go to the bathroom. This is Junior's favorite place. In our bathroom. There you go. We got toys for you. Come on. Good boy. Stay put. Look at these beads. Let's go shower. And here's our mirror. It's Junior. Here's our little basketball thingy. And he stays there all night. Alright, Kalin, let's play. Come on. You gotta come closer. There you go. Play catch. Yeah, what'd you say? Look how ugly your feather is. Look how ugly that thing is. Look what you did to yourself. Look at that. Look at your wing. Oh my god, look at that. Who did that? Huh? Who did that? Who did that? Okay, say goodbye.